That's the recording.
Okay. Come on, let's start. So very first we will do Omkara. Everybody sit straight. Take a position of Gyan Mudra. Keep your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and 3 times Om. Rub your palms. Don't open your eyes before that. Rub your palms. Open your eyes. Blink your eyes and massage your face. Jai Shri Krishna. Good morning to everyone. Okay. There is noise.
What is this?
Be on mute, Aditya. There is noise which is coming from your side.
Is it? I wasn't talking.
Yeah, see, now it's not coming. Okay. So we will start with the session. So who have learned yesterday's shlok? Yes, who have learned yesterday's shlok?
Mama, I've learned.
Okay, Aditya, come on.
Just give me 1 second.
Sure.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. अच्युतानंत गोविंद नामोच्चारण भेषजात् नश्यन्ति सकलारोगाः सत्यं सत्यं वदाम्यहम्.
Very good. Anybody else who have learned? Yes, Alankrita. Alankrita, not audible. Huh?
Alankrita, you're not audible.
You're not audible. Aditya, be on mute. Aditya, something noise is coming from your side.
And someone is waiting on the line, I guess. You have to approve.
No, this is not for approval. You can join directly in this.
Okay.
No, they are waiting on the Google Meet link. Yeah. On the WhatsApp, if you check, it's that only. And then now, when I'm speaking, is the noise coming?
No, when you are speaking at that time, it's not coming. But when you're not speaking at that time, it's coming.
Okay, now is it coming?
Little bit.
Little bit. My computer fan. It's my computer fan.
Okay, no problem. Who have learned yesterday's shlok? Yes.
Option for raising hand.
Alankrita, but your voice is not coming. Come close to mic and say.
Close.
Pop, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Say.
Shall I say the slok?
Yeah. Come on, Alankrita.
Achyutananda Govinda Namocharana Beshaja Nashyanti Sakularoga Satyam Satyam Vadamyaham.
Yes, very good. Who else? Anybody else who have learned yesterday's shlok? Yeah, Hansika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Achyutananda Govinda Namocharana Beshajat Nashyanti Sakala Rogaha Satyam Satyam Vadamyaham.
Very good. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I can try.
Sure, Suja ma'am.
Achyutananda Govinda Namocharan Veshajat Nashanti Sakala Rogah Satyam Satyam
Vadamyaham.
Vadamyaham
And say first line again.
Achyutananda Govinda Namocharana Veshajat
Namocharana. Ucharana.
Namocharana. Okay.
Hmm.
Namocharana Veshajat.
So Namocharana, if you split the word, it is Nam and Ucharan
Charana.
together.
Okay.
So that is why
Namocharana.
Namocharana.
Okay. Namocharana. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, why are you on Spotlight? It is showing me on Zoom that you are on Spotlight.
Yeah, it's okay.
And
Okay,
it's
anybody
confusing.
else? Anybody else who wants to say? Okay, no problem. So today we are going to learn the shloka which is chanted for Hanumanji, right? So this shloka is also one of the powerful shlokas of Hanumanji, and in this shlok they have clearly described what all qualities Hanumanji have. Okay, like if I'll say the shlok and I'll explain the meaning in that, you will come to know. Okay. Manojavam marutatuल्य vegam jitendriyam buddhimatam varishtam vatatmajam vanarayuthamukyam Shriramadutam sharanam prapadde. Again, I am repeating. Manojavam marutatuल्य vegam jitendriyam buddhimatam varishtam वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये. Okay, so this is the shlok which we are going to learn today, and in this shlok they have clearly described what all qualities Hanumanji have. Okay, like if I'll say the first word, it is Manojavam Marutatuल्य vegam. So Manojavam, Mana means what? Mind. Okay, so his speed is as fast as mind. That is Manojavam. Maruta Tulya Vegam. Maruta Tulya Vegam means his, his speed is as swift as wind. Okay, so first is Manojavam. He has, like, his man is so fast that like we have n number of thoughts which is going on in our mind, right? At the same time. So same way, his speed is as fast as mind. He's as swift as wind or vayu. His speed is as swift as wind or vayu. Jitendriyam means what? He can control over his senses. Indriya means senses. Okay, so the one who has control over his senses means Jitendriyam. Buddhimatam varishtam. He is the intelligent among all intelligent beings. That is Buddhimatam varishtam. Vatatmajam. Vatatmajam means he is the son of wind god. That is Vayu. Vanara Yutha Mukhyam. He is the commander of monkeys or the commander of monkey army, you can say. That is Vanara Yutha Mukhyam. Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadde. So here we are going down to Hanumanji, who is the messenger of Ramji. Shri Ramadutam means Dutam means messenger. Okay, so who is the messenger of Ramji? We are bowing down to him and we are saying that you please bless us with all your qualities. Okay, so we are going down to Hanumanji, who is as fast as wind, as swift as mind, and who has full control over his senses, who is wisest among all the intelligent beings, who is the son of wind god, who is the chief of monkey army, and who is the messenger of Ramji. We are bowing down to him and we are saying that you please bless us with health, wealth, courage in our life, because he has too much of courage. He is known for courage. He is known for valor, which is lack of fear. Okay, so we are praying to him. Okay, I'm repeating meaning one more time. Okay, We are bowing down to Hanumanji. Okay, we are praying to Hanumanji, who is as fast as our mind, which is Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vega, means as swift as wind. Okay, Jitendriyam means who has control over all his senses. That is Jitendriyam. Buddhimatam Varishtam means who is wisest among all intelligent beings. Vatatmajam means he is the son of wind god. Vanara Yutha Mukhyam, he is the chief of monkey army. Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadde. Shri Ramadutam means who is the messenger of Shri Ramji. We are bowing down. Sharanam Prapadde means to bow down and to give salutations. Okay. Everybody understood the meaning of the shlok?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody have any doubt in the meaning? I'll repeat meaning one more time at the end once we're done with the repetition of shloka. Okay. So come on, we will do repetition. Aditya, I can see you first.
Okay. Here, ma'am, raise hand works. If you raise hand, you'll appear first.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Very nice. Yes. After that, I can see who is it? Dhanasvi. Dhanasvi joined the class.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
I'm great.
No, you were asking for link, na? That's why. Panay is there. Yeah, Panay also I can see. Everybody joined, na? Okay, great. So after that, I can see Anika. After Aditya, I can see Anika. Anika, can you hear me? Unmute your mic. Unmute it. You should unmute your mic. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Come close to mic. Come close. I can't hear you because. Get your chair closer to mic little.
Yes, sir.
Say something.
Hi, ma'am. Sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Hi. Come on, Anika. Repeat behind me, okay? Manojavam
Manojavam
Maruta
Marutam
Tulyavegam
Tulyavegam
Jitendriyam
Vedriyam
Buddhimatam
Buddhibadam
Varishtam
Varishtam
Vatatmajam
Vatatmadam
Vanara
Varadam
Vanara
Varadam
No, Vanara
Vadnaro
Yutha
Yutha
Mukhyam
Nityam
Shri Ramadutam
Sri Ramadutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Saranam Tabhatre.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. After that, I can see Surja ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll just go a little later because I'm getting a call. Sorry. I'll
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Yeah, sure. After that, I can see Vishwak.
Yes, ma'am.
See. Manojavam.
Manojavam
Others repeat on mute, so it will be easy for you to catch the words. Okay? Yeah. Vishwak, say again. Manojavam
Manojavam
Maruta
Maruta
Tulyavegam
Tulyavegam
Jitendriyam
Jitendriyam
Buddhimatam Varishtam.
Buddhimatam Varashtam
Very good. Vatatmajam
Vatatmajam
Vanara
Vanara
Yuthamukyam
Yutamukyam
श्रीरामदूतं
श्रीरामदूतं
शरणं प्रपद्ये.
शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Very good. After that, I can see Bhavya. Say Manojavam
मनोजवं
Marut
मारुत
Tulyavegam
तुल्यवेगं
Jitendriyam
जितेन्द्रियं
Buddhimatam Varishtam
बुद्धिवतां वरिष्ठं
Vatatmajam
वातात्मजं
Vanara
वानर
Yuthamukhyam
यूतमुख्यं
ShriRamadutam
श्रीरामदूतं
Sharanam Prapadde.
शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Very nice. Dhanasvi,
Could you please check the chat?
Aditya right now, no. I don't know. I'll let you know when, whatever it is. Okay. Dhanasvi, come on, say. Manojavam. I can't hear you. Come close to mic. Say something.
मनो
Manojavam
जवं
Maruta
मारुतं
Maruta
ट्रांसक्राइब मतलब ट्रांसक्राइब
Say Maruta. No, I can't hear you. Dhanasvi, I can't hear you. Say again. Manojavam. No, I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
यस
Ha, now also I can hear you. Say Manojavam.
तमाम
Your voice is cracking. Come close to mic na beta. Say Manojavam
मनोजवं
Maruta
मारुतं
Tulyavegam
तुल्यवेगं
Vegam
वेगं
Jitendriyam
चितेन्द्रियं
Buddhimatam
बुद्धिपतां
Varishtam
वैष्णं
Vatatmajam
वातानचं
Majam
मदं
Vanara Vanara
वावन
Vanara
वानर
Yuthamukhyam
युधमुख्यं
Shriramadutam
श्रीरामदूतं
Sharanam
शरणं
Prapadde.
प्रपद्ये
Prapadde.
प्रपद्ये.
Very good. Ananya,
Yes,
yeah, say. You will
Ma'am.
say, you will repeat.
can I say?
Yeah.
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयुतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Can you repeat Vatatmajam line?
वातात्मजं वानरयुतमुख्यं
It is Vanara.
वानरयुतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Yes, very good. Alankrita. Alankrita, are you there?
ma'am.
Yeah. Say.
Yes, ma'am.
Say Manojavam.
Ma'am, your voice is dragging.
Your network is not good because you are lagging. Say Manojavam.
Manojana
Not Janam, Javam.
Javam
Maruta
Maruta
Tulyavegam.
Tulyavegam
Jitendriyam.
Chitendriyam
Buddhimatam.
Buddhimatam
Varishtam.
Varishtam
Vatatmajam.
Vatamajam
Vanara.
Vanara
Yuthamukhyam.
Uttamukyam
Shriramadutam.
Sriramadutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Sharanam Prapatte.
Very good. Panay. Say Manojavam.
Manojavam
Marutatulyavegam.
Marutatulyavegam
Jitendriyam.
Chitendriyam
Buddhimatam Varishtam.
Buddhimatam. Can you repeat?
Buddhimatam Varishtam.
Buddhimatam Varishtam
Vatatmajam.
Vatatmajam
Vanarayuthamukhyam.
Vanarayuddhamukhyam
Shriramadutam.
Sriramadutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Sharanam Prabhatte.
Very good. Bhavya. You said Bhavya? No, no. You said
She
yes or
didn't.
no? I'm not
She didn't.
understanding.
She didn't say, ma'am. I've been tracking the
I
call.
said
You said?
yes.
Okay. Yeah, Surja ma'am.
Yes. Manovajang Marutatulyavegam.
Wait, wait,
No,
wait, wait. Say again.
Manovajang.
No.
Manojang. No,
Manojavam.
Manojavam. Sorry. Manovajang. Manovajam. No,
Aditya,
I'm
don't
very
do that.
bad with this.
Manojavam.
Manojavang Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatang Varishtham Vatatmajang Vanaryut Mukhyam Sriramadutam Sharanam Prapadde.
Yes, now it's fine. Say first word again.
Manovajang.
No, it
No.
is Manojavam.
Manojavam. Okay,
Yeah.
Manojavam.
Yeah.
Manojavam. Okay.
Rest you said right. Only first you got stuck.
Manojavam.
Right. Prerna ma'am.
Can I say?
Yeah.
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयुक्तमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Yes. Very nice. Hansika.
Can I say, ma'am?
Yeah.
Manojavam Mathuratulyavegam
Wait. Say again.
Manojavam
It is not Mano.
Mathuratu
It is Mano. Manojavam.
Manojavam
Hmm.
Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayuddhamukyam Sriramadutam Sharanam Prapade.
Yes. Very nice. Very good. Everybody said. Anybody who is left to say? Yes. Who wants to repeat it again after me, or you want to try by yourself? Yes, Ananya.
Manoja
Little loudly, Ananya. Little loud.
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं मातात्म मा- वाता मातात्मजं and can I say it from the beginning?
Okay.
मनोजवं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयुक्तं मुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Very good. Yes. Who else wants to say yes, Panay?
I want to repeat.
You want to repeat? Come on, say. Manojavam
Manojavam
Maruta,
Marutam
not Marutam, Marutatulyavegam
Marutatulyavegam
Jitendriyam
Jitendriyam
Buddhimatam Varashtam
Buddhimatam Varishtam
Vatatmajam
Vatatmajam
Vanarayuthamukyam
Vanarayuddhamukhyam
Sriramadutam
Sriramadutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Sharanam Prapatte.
Very nice. Yes, Vishwak?
Yes, ma'am. Can I share by myself?
Yeah, Vishwak.
Manojavam Marutatulyavegam Jidetayam Matam Vashisht
No, Buddhimatam Varashtam.
Buddhimatam Varishtam Vata Vatatmajam Varanayutumuktam Sriramadutam Sharanam Prapade.
Okay. Second last line. Vatatmajam Vanarayuthamukyam. Say.
Svana
No, Vatatmajam.
Vatadmajam Vanarayutumukyam
Yuthamukyam.
Yutamukhyam.
Yes. Shri Ram. Rest you said properly. Very good. Yes. Who else wants to repeat or you want to try by yourself?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपदे.
Very nice. Yes. Anybody else who wants to repeat? Yes, Dhanasvi.
I want to repeat.
Yeah. Say. Manojavam. I can't hear you. Manojavam. Manojavam.
Manonjanam
Javam.
Janam
Maruta. Can't hear you.
Marutam
Tulyavegam.
Tullaveva
Vegam.
Vegam
Jitendriyam.
Jitindriyam
Buddhimatam.
Buddhimatam
Varashtam.
Vaishtam
Vatatmajam.
Vatam
Majam. Vatatmajam.
Vatadmajam
Vanara. Yuthamukyam.
Yudhamutyam
Yutha. Mukyam.
Mutyam
Shri Ramadutam.
Sri Ramadutyam
Dutam.
Dutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Sharanam Prapte.
Yes, very good. Who else wants to repeat? Yes. Anybody else wants to repeat? Anika, come on, repeat one more time. Anika, unmute yourself.
I want to repeat.
Say, Manojavam
Manujavam
Maruta
Maruta
Tulyavegam
Tulyavegam
Jitendriyam
Yam
Buddhimatam
Buddhimatam
Varishtam
Varishtam
Vatatmajam
Vatatmadam
Vanar
Vanaram
Vanar
Vanaro
Vanar
Vanaro
Yuthamukyam
Yuthamukhriyam
Shri Ramadutam
Sri Ramadutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Sharanam Bhavate.
Very good. Yes, Alankrita, you're raising your hand.
Can I repeat?
Yeah. Say, Manojavam
Manojanam
Janam Nai Javam
Javam
Maruta
Maruta
Tulyavegam
Pulyavegam
Jitendriyam
Jitendriyam
Buddhimatam Varishtam
Buddhimatam Varishtam
Vatatmajam
Vatavajam
Vanar
Vanara
Yuthamukyam
Yutamukhya
Shri Ramadutam
Ramadutam
Sharanam Prapadde.
Sharanam Prabhate.
Very good. Anybody else who wants to repeat? You want to try by yourself? Yes. Everybody is clear with the shlok?
Yes, ma'am.
Can explain the meaning of the shlok? What you have understood. I don't want word by word. It's okay. You can say easily what you have understood. Yes, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vegam. So Manojavam is the one who is very swift as thought. Maruta Tulya Vegam. So one who is more like how you can say more powerful and more strength than the wind. Then Tulya Vegam, like that is Tulya Vegam part of that. Then Jitendriyam, the conqueror of all senses, control over all his senses. Buddhi Matam Varishtam. So that is Buddhimatam Varishtam is this one, the one who is very intellectually
Intelligent.
like very intelligent. And then Vatatmajam, so the one who is very intelligent and the son of the wind god. So which is Vatatmajam, Buddhimatam Varishtam, Vatatmajam, Vanara Yutha Mukyam. So that is the commander, like maybe the controller, commander, whatever of the army of the forest creatures. Shri Rama Dutam Sharanam Prapadye. So that is the please grant my blessings, Lord Rama's messenger.
Yes, right. Very good. Who else? Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, can I first say the shlok meaning? Ma'am,
Sorry?
Can I say the shlok and the meaning?
Yeah. See, but little loudly, come little close to mine so I can hear your voice clearly.
Okay. Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Manojavam Marutatulyavedam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Varanam Sriramadatam Sharanam Prapatye. Manojavam Marutatulyavedam means his thinking or thoughts are more faster than wind. Then Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam. Jitendriya means he has control over his senses. And Buddhimatam Varishtam means he is intelligent, intellectual. Right?
Huh?
And sorry, Patatmaja. Buddhimatam Varishtam means intelligent.
He is intelligent among all intelligent beings.
He is intelligent among all the beings.
Hmm.
Patatmajam means he is the son of the wind god.
Yes.
Vanara Mukhya means he is the commander of the army of the
Hmm.
forest.
Hmm.
Shrirangatam Sharanam Prabhate means he is the messenger of Lord Ram. And Sharanam Prabhate means we are surrendering to you.
Very good. Very nice. Anybody else who will try? Yes.
Ma'am, I'll try. Sorry, there's a
Sure.
power cut, so I'll be all dark. Okay. The first word, it is it's quite difficult.
No problem. You
Challenge,
can
okay.
do it.
Manobajang.
Uh.
No, again. Okay.
Yes.
Manojabang.
Ha, right.
Manojabang. Okay, yeah, it sounds dyslexic for me.
Now it's
Okay.
fine, but
Okay. Manojabang, right?
right.
Manojabang Marutatulla Vegam Jitendriyang Buddhimatang Varishtham Vatatmajang Vanaryut Mukhyam Shriramadutang Sharanam Prapadde. Right.
Perfect.
So it means like I surrender to the one who is as swift as the wind, who has control over all the senses, who is the super intelligent being, the son of the god, the commander of the Vanar Sena, and the messenger of the god, a messenger of Rama.
Ramji.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice. Good. Yes, anybody else who will try? Okay, everybody is clear with the shlok and meaning. Anybody have any doubt with the shlok and meaning? Yes, everybody is clear. Okay, great. So yesterday we did 8 siddhis.
Today we have to do 9 of these.
So which are those 8 siddhis? Who will tell? Which
Ma'am,
Hanumanji got?
may I tell, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, 8 cities are Anima, Mahima, Garima, Laghima, Prapti, Prakamya, Ishitva, and Vashitva.
Okay, good. So who will tell me what is Mahima?
Getting very large.
Yeah, whoever wants to say, they can say it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mahima is
Huge.
huge in size. What is
Ma'am,
Anima? Yes.
Very small.
It's smaller.
Ma'am,
One
I
second.
have this question. So you asked this question yesterday that what did he do when he, expanded his form? There is a line in Hanuman Chalisa, Vikat Roop Dhari Lanka Jarava,
Lankadara. Yes.
right? So he actually expanded and burned Lanka, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Demon.
And there is another line, Shushma Roop Dhari Siyahi
Siyahi.
Dikhava. So what do you mean by Siyahi Dikhava?
See, what I can say, one second. I'll just create a word for that.
Okay, no problem.
He is showing his, you can say, the ability to get a huge also, and with extra powers also.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. Yes. I asked, what is Anima?
Too small.
Anima is too small. Then comes Garima,
Very heavy.
very heavy. What is Lagima?
Very light.
Light.
Very light. What is Prapti?
Ability to reach anywhere instantly.
What?
Ability to reach anywhere instantly.
Yes, Panay?
No.
No?
Ability to reach anywhere instantly.
Okay, ability to reach instantly, anywhere instantly. Prakamya,
To fulfill anyone's wish.
yes, to fulfill anyone's wish or desire. Ishitva,
Control over all
Control
things.
All
all
living.
creatures.
control over all creatures or beings. And Vishitva,
Able to attract
Influence
and
others.
control others.
yes, right, able to attract and control over others. So these were the 8 siddhis which he got, right? And now we will do what?
No
After
question
8
answer.
siddhis, what he got?
Navanidhis. Navanidhis.
Navanidhis. Who is there? Too disturbing in the class.
Ma'am, we are going to do Navanidhis today. Do we have much time?
Yeah, we can do.
Okay, because 9 nidhis in explaining will take till 11 o'clock and I have another class at 11 o'clock.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, we won't be taking so much time.
Then it's okay.
So he got this 9 nidhis. So 9 nidhis means it is a special, you can say 9 magical treasures, okay, which is called as Navanidhi. So all these Navanidhis, it is like because Hanumanji never wanted gold, food, or any kind of power for himself. So he only wanted to do seva or to serve Ramji with love. So here again, Mata Sita ji blessed him to keep these treasures so he can share them with those who pray to him with a pure heart. Okay, so same with this 8 siddhis which he got, and this Navanidhis is like he can share them with those who pray with pure love to him. That's why, because he never wanted all these things.
Ma'am,
But yes,
can I leave now? I have to go.
okay. Okay, so first was Mahapadma. So, okay, so this was a treasure of glowing lotuses. So when I'm saying treasure of glowing lotuses, so what it brings to you, it brings kindness, it brings peace, it brings pure and joy towards you. Okay, so that is Mahapadma. So this was first Navanidhi. Mein se first Nidhi was Mahapadma. Second was Padma. So it was like a beautiful, like a lotus flower. Padma itself is a lotus flower, right? So it is a beautiful, like a lotus flower. So when it is said like Padma, so it gives you beauty, it gives you good health, it gives you love, it gives you care. Okay, so that is Padma. After that comes Shankha. So when Shankha, so it is like a conch and it brings fame. Shankha is help to bring fame in your life. Okay, you can do great things when you have that Shankha blessings. You can do great things. You can have fame in your life. Then comes Makara. Okay, fourth one is Makara. So first one we did was Mahapadma, second was Padma, third was Shankha, fourth was Makara. So Makara is known as crocodile. Okay, a treasure which is shaped like a crocodile. Okay, so it keeps you rich, you can say safe, strong, and riches. It gives you richness, wealth. Okay, that is the sign of Makara. After that, it is what is fifth one? Kachapa.
Shanka.
Shankha we did.
Kachapa, Mukunda.
Kachapa. Fifth is Kachapa, which look like a turtle. And turtle itself symbolizes patience because it is very slow. It helps you to give you patience and steady success. Kachapa is like a turtle and it helps you to gives you patience and steady success. After that, it is Mukunda. Okay, Mukunda, it gives, you can say, freedom and happiness which is inside your heart. Like you can feel very much peaceful inside you. That is Mukunda. Seventh is Nanda. Nanda, which brings, you can say, lots of joy, celebration, happiness, smiles in your life. That is Nanda. Eight is Neela. So it is like a shiny blue diamond or gem. Okay, Neela is shiny blue diamond or gel, and which gives you knowledge and wisdom to make you more smarter and smarter. Okay, that is Neela. And ninth is Kharva. So Kharva, what I can tell you about Kharva? It is very, you can say, it has something which has super powerful things inside it. Like you can say a small magical gift box, but it has superpowers in that. That is Kharva. Okay, so when you pray to Hanumanji, and if he is happy with all your prayers and with all your efforts, what you are giving to him, so he can gift you with this 9 magical nidhis. Okay, he can bless you with 9 magical nidhis. So, what are these 9 magical nidhis? Were Mahapadma, Padma, Shankha, Makara, Kachapa, Mukunda, Nanda, Neela, and Kharva. Okay, so these are the 9 magical nidhis which he has. So he doesn't want any kind of nidhis to him. Okay, because Hanumanji never wanted any kind of all these things. Like he don't want food, he don't want any kind of power for himself. He don't want any kind of gold, any kind of materialistic to for himself. Because he just wanted to serve Ramji with a very love and with respect towards him. So he got these blessings that he will have these 9 nidhis where he can share them with those who pray with pure heart to him. Okay, so these are the 9 treasures which he got, and he, like, you can say, like, whenever you pray to him, so he has that ashtasiddhi which he has in himself, and these 9 nidhis which he can give to others. If you pray to him, he can gift you others. So these are the 9 nidhis what he has in himself. Okay, so this is the power which Hanumanji has. So we did Ashtasiddhi Nava Nidhi Ke Dhata. All we did 8 Ashtasiddhis, that is 8 Siddhis, and 9 Nidhis also we learned. I will share the details with you on WhatsApp for this 9 Nidhis also. So it will be easy for you to remember it.
Ma'am, may I leave? I have a class at 11.
Yeah. Now even I am ending the session. We have done with it. So
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
yeah, bye. So let's move to the, everybody's clear whatever we did today? You want to do question and answers or you want to leave? Yes.
नहीं किया था
ऐसे नहीं किया था हमने किया था, आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया थोड़ा सा.
मैं ना लेट सो गई थी इसलिए
Can
गए
we
थे?
start with question and answer?
Oh, okay. Question and answers, little bit. Yes. Okay, come on. We will do a little question and answers. Why no, Alankrita?
More.
More. Okay, not little, more. Okay, more we will do. Okay, come on. Tell me, Ravana killed Sita, kidnapped Sita from which forest? Those who know the answer, raise your hand. Ravana kidnapped Sita from which forest? Yes. Come on, try.
Tapovan. No? Okay. But Panchavati was where she was kept, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But he kidnapped from which forest?
That I don't know.
Nobody? Yes. Ananya, you should know. We have done this.
I forgot the name.
You forgot the name. Okay. Alankrita, even you should know. Bhavya, you should know. Ravana kidnapped Sita from
I also forgot.
Dandaka forest.
Dandaka forest.
Dandakavan or Dandaka forest.
It's in Madhya Pradesh, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Who taught archery to Ram and Lakshman? Who taught archery to Ram and Lakshman? Yes, come on.
Is it Kaikeyi?
No. Archery. Archery Kaikeyi, no?
No, okay.
Yes, Bhavya.
Vishwamitra.
Yes, Guru Vishwamitra. Guru Vishwamitra taught archery to Ram and Lakshman.
Guru Vishwamitra.
Yes. Tell me, who took Krishna and Balarama to Mathura from Vrindavan?
Who took?
Krishna and Balram to Mathura from Vrindavan. Somebody who took Krishna and Balram. Yes, Ananya.
Radha.
Radha? No. No, Radha. Yes. Yes, you can tell. I forgot your name. A Zoom user who have logged in by the name of Zoom user. Anika. Anika, na? Yeah, you can tell. You know the answer? Unmute and see. Touch that mic button.
Yes.
Krishna.
Who took Krishna and Balarama to Mathura from Vrindavan? Krishna won't be possible. It was Akrura.
Akrura. Okay.
Akrura took Krishna and Balarama to Mathura from Vrindavan. Who killed Kumbhakarna?
Lakshman. No.
Yes, Bhavya.
Hanuman.
Yes, Alankrita.
Shiva.
Shiva. How come Shiva be there? Yes, Ananya.
Sugri.
No,
And
Sudhi.
Ram.
Is it Ram?
Ramji.
Oh,
Yes.
Ramji.
Ramji killed Kumbhakarna.
Oh, yes. It was in the shloka, Ravana and Kumbhakarna. Sorry.
Ah,
Yes, sorry. So bad.
yes. Who is saying, ma'am? Yes, Ananya.
Sita was born in Nepal. Then, then they were like, they were started walking, and then still they went to this Madhya Pradesh, and then everywhere they roamed around the whole India just by walking.
Yeah, they did everything by walking.
How did they walk in Bangalore?
How did they walk?
That is so far.
Yeah, but they did that.
Ma'am, I can add to your answer, maybe, if that
Yeah,
satisfies
sure.
her. Okay.
Yeah.
So previously, according to scientific researches, humans used to be very tall, like 7, 8 feet. So they had long legs, right? So you can walk very fast. Then there are magical beings like Jatayu. He had wings, right? So he could take and fly. And the next one is when Ravana kidnapped Sita, he actually took the chariot which has wings. So, he could fly from Madhya Pradesh to Sri Lanka by flying through the clouds, right? So, and then there are magical beings like Hanuman who could fly. So, they had this extraordinary power which could take them to distances which is not possible for us in this being. So, one of the ways they would have traveled in those places.
Yes, that's true. They had that magical powers and they had that strength also in them.
Yes, yes.
Now we can't walk from here till there also we can't walk.
Yes, and they also had horses. They
Yeah.
had
They had
other
many
things
other
also.
things apart
Yes,
from vehicles, but they had other kind of vehicles at that time.
yes. And also, I feel like they are godlike almost. So they also had this power to move very fast as wind
Fast.
through mantras or something like that. Yeah.
They had that power. At that time, they were not having matchstick also. They used to
Yes.
burn all these things just by chanting shloks or rubbing stones. Like whenever Agni used to create, they used to create Agni, like when they used to Prajwal Agni, even they used to not use that stones also. They used to Prajwal Agni by just chanting shloks.
Yes.
That power they had at that time.
Yeah.
That's why we are remembering them and we are praying to them. Right?
To give us some of their powers.
We don't get that powers, but yes, we will have that faith that, okay, they are with us at least. So whenever we are in difficulties, they will come to help us some or the other way. They will guide you. That's why it's always, you are at very right age that you have joined this. Not, not saying that you have joined my class, but you are doing this spirituality at a very young age, which will guide you towards a proper path in your life. That is very important, because nowadays if you see outside crowd, if you see everything which what is going on outside, it's very, very um, you can say very bad thing. So for that, you need to stick to our culture. It is very important. You should know what is your base, what is your culture, which is very more important. And you have got a very good opportunity at very young age. So you can achieve more and more success in your life by connecting through spirituality.
Very true, ma'am. What they realize now, I realized very late in my life.
Yeah. That's true. Like we were not so aware of all these things at our age when we were at their age.
Right. Because we also had a different thing. We hadn't seen the Western world yet, so we were very influenced by it. But I have been outside and I've seen this society. It's so shallow, ma'am. I left everything behind and I said, like, I need to get back to my culture, to my roots. We have
Yeah,
lost.
that's true. Like we to outside nowadays, it's totally lost.
Lost. And what I've seen in Europe is like, see, we have temples, we have shlokas, we have, things to talk about. But in Western countries, when they are lost, they can't go to the church because they have lost faith and they don't have all this knowledge and everything. So they're drowning in alcohol and drugs and everything. So it is a very bad world there, to be honest. People are just lost and it's very dark.
Yeah, that's true. That's what
Very
not
dark.
like these kids have got a very
Yes.
great knowledge at very great time.
Yeah, and I so enjoy the classes with them, to be honest.
Yeah. Like many times I get many new things which I can learn
Yes.
from them.
Yes. I learn every day.
Uh,
Yeah.
even many times, even I, like yesterday, what Aditya, one question he asked, I was not aware of that question.
Yeah.
I was not aware of the answer also. So even,
Even today you asked those basic questions, right? I didn't have answers, so I'm learning as well.
yeah. So it's good. Kids, you had got a great opportunity. So don't miss out. Take all the good things and try to inculcate those in your daily life, which will help you in future. You won't be recognizing now, but after you grown up, after some age, you will get to know, like, yes, what we have learned, because of that, we are very stable right now.
True. And ma'am,
Okay.
one more thing, like
Uh,
this shlokas, they have a certain vibration. So when you pronounce it right, the Sanskrit language is very scientific. So it has got a very good vibration. So when you chant shlokas more and more, it rewires your brain. So kids, be very dedicated to what you're learning because it will really help you.
yes, true.
Yeah, cool. All right.
Okay, so let's move to the end of the session. Everybody's clear whatever we did today? Yes? Okay, let's move to the end of the session. In end, we will do 3 times Omkara and 3 times Brahmri. Sit straight, take a position of Gyan Mudra. Anika, come on, sit on your place and do Omkara. And you know how to do Brahmri, Anika? Anika? You know how to do Brahmri?
No, ma'am.
See, look at me first. Okay, don't do. Look at me. Anika, look at me. You have to close your eyes. You have to close your ears by your thumb. Look at me. Don't do. Look at me. Look at me. Don't do. Wait. After that, you have to roll your tongue upside and you have to make a humming sound like hmm. So when you roll your tongue upside and when you do humming sound, which helps you to improve your concentration very fast. Okay. So Omkara and Brahmari helps to improve your concentration, helps to improve your focus, helps to improve your memory, and it helps to give you stability in your life. Okay, that's why you should do Omkara and Brahmari every day, not only in class. Apart from class, you should do every day. Okay, come on, sit straight, take a position of Omkara, like Jnana Mudra. Keep your hands on your thighs, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and 3 times Om. Ah. 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 Don't open your eyes. Take a position for Brahmari, everybody. 3 times Brahmari. Mm. Mm. Don't open your eyes before that. Rub your palms. Rub it nicely. Keep on your eyes. Blink your eyes and massage your face. Okay. Try to learn these shlokas. Okay. We'll meet next Saturday. Till the time, all of you. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna. Bye. Good
Thank
day.
you,
Take
ma'am.
care.
Jai Shri
Thank you,
Krishna.
ma'am. Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri Krishna. Bye.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri